Hello and welcome everyone. I'm going to show you here how to hover in Figma. First, you will start to choose a component. So I have this square and I will add an additional shape which is really the circle or ellipse, and this will be really like this. You will start to set it's an action. So we started to write here which is really the hover thing. So interaction while hovering, and then we can customize the hover style. So we gonna see right here the component. If we create it, you gonna start to go for this one hover. This really doesn't appear, so I will go again and we're gonna see while hovering is ready, not really ready. So you can toggle the ready one for DEV, for example. We can start to, if you have the DEV mode, you can start to add a hover CSS code or HTML code, whatever the side is. Then started to go for maybe right click, absolutely really going on with. Okay, if you are using plugins, you make hover state. So I gonna start to right click and start to operate. This is hover true, hover it true, and this is really how you do it.